Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to turn the radio, the wireless radio, on and off in a ASUS RT-AX82U wireless router. Now one of my viewers asked this question, how to turn it off, and that's why I'm making this video for them. Question is, why would you want to turn off the radio? There are certain times that you need to turn off the radio. First is when you see that your network is being compromised and you want to go through landline, local area network and not wireless. That's when you turn off your Wi-Fi. If you think that someone has your network password, if you think someone's using too much of your network traffic, you need to kind of make them calm down and slow down. That's when you turn off your wireless radio. When we say radio, there are two radios, just like walkie-talkies in your hand that you talk, exact same type of a scenario. There's radios inside the router, which is radio frequency or RF transmitters and receivers, which will handle the traffic for your Wi-Fi, and you can turn it on and off, and this is how we do it. Let's get started. So in order to turn off the radio, what you need to do is you need to go to your browser and to your wireless router login page, which I'm going to do. Let me go full screen. So it's router.asus.com. That's the address, as you can see right here, router.asus.com. Click enter. Username and password. Go ahead and enter your username and password and sign on. Once you are signed on, you need to click on wireless right here, and then once you're in wireless, then you need to click on professional right here, and then once you're in professional, choose the network you want to turn off. Let's say if you want to disable the radio for 5 gigahertz, you choose 5 gigahertz and enable radio or disable, click no. This will disable it. If you want to disable the 2.4 gigahertz, same thing, enable radio, you say no. Mine is currently enabled, but if you want to disable it, you click here. Now if you want to set a schedule for your Wi-Fi, for example, your child is using the internet at the time when she or he is supposed to be inside her bed or sleeping, and you want to disable the Wi-Fi at night time, then you can have a scheduler. If you click yes, then you could click here and set the time, Monday through Friday, which times you want to do it. So this video, I'm not going to go into details of that because this video is just for enable and disable, and these are the ones that are enable and disable. Currently it's enabled, radio is enabled, and when you click here, radio is disabled. So these are the things that you need to know in order to be able to do the Wi-Fi disabling. Once you did that, whichever one option you choose, you just have to click apply. Without hitting apply, nothing will change. You have to hit apply and reboot the router, and you will be good to go. Alright, I hope this video was educational, and if you like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.